आय नमः। आर्द्रा नक्षत्र देवताये रुद्राय नमः. Darshanas are highly scholarly intellectual textbooks of Hindu writings with intuition, inspiration and emotion. I repeat this once more. Darshanas are highly scholarly, intellectual, experienced section of Sanatana Dharma's writings with intuition, inspiration and emotion. They are directly affiliated to Vedas. The first four darshanas are not too much directly affiliated, but they are indirectly affiliated to the Vedas. The last two, Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa, are directly based on Vedas. The glory of darshanas are, they are with correct understanding and with the power of reasoning. Why, what, how, where, when. Regarding all the values of the universe, whether it is a materialistic life or a spiritual life, in a social contact, laws, rules and regulations of life, judgment and justice, code and conduct. So, it is a must for a sadhaka to study all the darshanas, then try for the sadhana, and the goal of sadhana is always to be remembered, eradication of all the sufferings of the universe and attainment of eternal peace. Human life especially do all the wantings with the world outside with three instruments: body, mind and intellect. These are the three instruments by which you are able to do all the vyavaharas with the world outside. All the scriptures have only three faculties to describe. They are Jiva, Ishvara and Jagat. Jiva, Ishvara and Jagat. So, the first four darshanas, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya and Yoga, are the explanations and the description regarding all the universal theories with laws of regulations and justification with solid reasoning power and the ability to direct, understand the methodology in right manner, as it is what we say in philosophy. Uttara Mimamsa and Purva Mimamsa, which are directly affiliated to Veda, in Purva Mimamsa, all the ritualistic, functional and truth values are fully implemented. Let us see the details of Darshana tomorrow again. Once more I repeat, Samhita part and Brahmana together is called the ritualistic section of Veda. Aranyaka, the third section, is called the technological factor of Veda. Whereas the fourth part called Upanishad is the intellectual scholarly section of Veda called Jnanakat. Let us see in detail tomorrow. Om Shanaishwaraya Namaha.